Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for MCAT Psychology and Sociology. First, thoroughly review the OMP content outline to grasp the scope of the section. Focus on understanding foundational concepts and identifying high-yield topics that frequently appear. Leverage official OMP resources, like their content review books and online modules, for a comprehensive and accurate understanding of the material. Next, engage in active learning. Make flashcards for all essential terms, theories, and researchers to solidify your recall. Regularly practice with official OMP question sets to familiarize yourself with the exam style and question types. Crucially, review every incorrect answer in detail to understand the reasoning and fill knowledge gaps, turning mistakes into learning opportunities. To enhance long-term memory, implement spaced repetition techniques for your flashcards and notes. Try to connect abstract concepts to real-world examples or personal experiences. This makes the information more relatable and easier to recall. Practice applying psychological and sociological theories to various experimental scenarios and research findings, which is a common question format. Finally, prepare for test day by simulating full-length exams under strict timed conditions. This builds stamina and helps you manage your time effectively. Ensure your study schedule includes breaks and self-care to prevent burnout. Develop a robust test-taking strategy for the psychology and sociology section, focusing on how to approach different question types and manage your pacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.